Hey girlfriends, it's Gabrielle Ishell, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another perm rod, flexi rod style. I have all of my little curlers here, but I am going to be using the perm rods that I have, and I might run out like I did last time. If you haven't seen my video of the perm rod that I did on my transitioning hair, I'll leave that in the cards above and in the description box below. But I ran out, so I used the flexi rods and the perm rods, and I actually like the perm rods better. So this time I'm starting with the perm rods, and then if I need more, I'll use my flexi rods. So I am starting off on a freshly washed hair, and I wanted to let it air dry and kind of stretch a little bit before I started styling my hair. So that's why you see like this would be a nice twist out. But I wanted to let it air dry a little bit first before going in and styling it. So I have this here. But to style it today, I'm going to be using the same mousse that I used the last time, but actually instead of just using this mousse, I think I'm going to do a mousse versus mousse. So I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse, and I did a review on this, and I also used it in 2 other videos. And then I'm also going to use this Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. I've had this for a while and I'm really trying to get rid of it, so I might try this first and see how that works. So I'm going to start off in the back, and this time I think I'm going to, I don't remember exactly what I did last time, if I parted it into like structured pieces or if I just grabbed a piece of hair using like finger parting. But I'm going to, well, my hair is so soft. If you're interested in what products I use today, I actually filmed a video on that, and that should actually be up before this goes up. So I use the Aussie Moist shampoo, conditioner, 3-step miracle, whatever, 3-step, what's it called? I don't know, the deep conditioner. And then I went behind with my L's Rosemary Mint Deep Conditioner. And oh my goodness, because I'm going for moisture this year. So you guys know I keep my scissors with me at all times when I'm doing my hair, because I always have these single strand knots and they're not doing nothing for my hair, so I get rid of them. I don't know about you guys, but when I have single strand knots, they mess up. Like, they make my hair so tangled and it's hard to get that brush through it like I want to. So I'm gonna spray it just a little bit because it's dry. It dried up on me. I fell asleep. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the Nairobi on the left side. I have my Denman brush here. I'm going to comb or brush through it just to make sure I can get through it, starting at the bottom and working my way up. I don't know why, but it feels like my hair is more puffier at the bottom. It's harder to get this piece straight. I'll use a comb to make it lay down flat, because I struggle with that. And I need to get the ends, because for some reason the ends do not like to lay down. So I'm trying to use my rat tail comb to try to smooth the ends down. Because yesterday I tried this like on one piece of hair, and when I took the curl out, when it dried, of course it was the ends that were puffy because they were not laying down. I think I'm gonna have to do the thing the other way. So instead of rolling it over like that, I'm gonna roll it under. this is so that it is more secure when it gets up here. Just trial and error. Okay, you see how this is like hanging a little bit? This is why I say I'm not confident in this section. I think the way you put that rubber band on, the direction really matters, because now it feels secure. I put the rubber band going behind it so it can hold it from falling down. So there's that. So it's wet. This side I'm using the Design Essentials. All right, this is gonna take some time. So I'm using some of this Camus Beauty Argan Oil to assist me in taking out these, because I have a feeling that they're going to be a little puffy. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and it comes in a little dropper here like that. I don't have clear parts because I finger part it, but I'm just going to put it so that it's on my scalp. And it feels really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and separate the curls using my oil that's in my hand to help me. And they are a little bushy, so I ain't gonna do too much because I ain't trying to mess up the curl. They're gonna be tight curls, I feel it already. I feel like getting the curler on correctly and tight enough makes the big difference. And that's why I think I struggle with, because it's still a little bushy. I mean, once I separate all of them, it should look fine, but still, I could do better. And also I'm rushing. I'm trying to go to brunch. So it's never good to rush, and I'm telling you guys that as I'm rushing. Which makes no sense, but it is what it is.